So new information has emerged on Jayden's death. According to Jayden's relative, Jayden had an argument with his partner on Friday night after going out with his friends. The following morning at around 8 a.m., he reportedly called his father and told him he couldn't take it anymore. His father immediately rushed to where Jayden was staying and was told that he had locked himself in the bathroom. He forced the door open, but sadly it was already too late. It is also reported that Jayden had been deeply affected by the death of his grandmother and a close friend. Is this another AKA situation? Because a lot of people are now blaming his girlfriend. Should we blame the girlfriend? Because I don't think a simple argument will lead a person to commit suicide. He was just going through a lot. He was depressed. I'm sure there was just a lot that was piling up. Remember, he had 2 baby mamas. And probably the girlfriend was trying to tell him that you mustn't spend so much money with your friends because you have too many responsibilities. You have kids, you've got family. Rather spare that money. Probably, I don't know what was the argument all about, but I'm sure the girlfriend was trying to tell him that he mustn't spend too much money, because there is no way that you can argue with a person just for, if you have someone, if you're a couple, you're always arguing, but there's no way that you can just argue for money because you're spending money with your friends. Then the next thing, you're killing yourself for that. I don't know, but I don't see it as something that someone can actually, as a reason for someone to actually kill himself. But what makes sense is that he was depressed. He had a lot on his plate before this whole thing, this girlfriend thing happened, because now people are blaming the girlfriend for what? Why are they blaming the girlfriend? Okay, let me just read a comment that I saw. It's saying, this young boy's rash things. He could have enjoyed life, ate his money without girls' involvement. To have a relationship is not a child's play. It needs someone who is mature, can stand the big challenges which are there. He learned it the hard way, but to those still alive, but young boys, keep away from girls and make your life prosper. Keep away, ask your older brother for guidance. You see, it's now like they are blaming the one that is now the girlfriend, just like what they were doing to AKA, blaming the surviving person, the other partner. For what exactly? Because he actually chose to kill himself. For what? We are yet to find out, because police is saying they are investigating the whole thing. And on this one, let's just stop to blame the girlfriend. What do you want her to do now? Do you want her to kill herself as well? Because it seems as if people are saying because they were fighting, she is the cause of everything. I don't know. All I can say is depression is real. And a lot of men, they don't want to talk about their problems to other people. They would rather kill themselves, or they would rather commit a crime instead of facing their fears or talking to someone. They would rather do the worst. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts, and please like, share, and also subscribe.